So let's see a problem statement. A problem statement revolves around the issue that a lot of people face nowadays due to the lack of exposure in their initial days. Due to the lack of exposure, they develop various phobias like the stage fear and they develop a feeling of shyness due to which they are not able to communicate properly. To solve this problem, we have a solution that is Communication Buddy. This project falls in the education domain. In this project, we are proposing an idea where we would be detecting the face and the voice emotion of an individual and check where both of the emotion are in sync or not. The better the emotion are in sync, it reflects how good you are in communication skills. With the help of this application, we would be able to help the user and all the individuals to have no barriers, to have no feeling of shyness and help to improve their skills on themselves and become good in communication skills and thus stand out from the rest of the crowd.
This is our website Communication Buddy, which having the feature facial expression detection, voice emotion and text sentiment emotion features for all the users. This application will be helpful for the students in personality development as well as in increasing their confidence level while speaking in front of audience. The features includes facial expression detection. This feature will be helpful for the user to know how much confident he is while delivering his or her thoughts. The second one is voice emotion. This feature will be helpful to the user in improving his or her speaking skill. And the third one is text sentiments emotion analysis. This feature includes the sentiment analysis using NLP to determine whether data is positive, negative, or neutral. This is the flowchart and the procedure that we have developed for our project, Communication Buddy. First one is the flowchart for the models. Second one is the flowchart for our website that we have created. And the next one is this button. When the user clicks this button, he can experience the facial and the vocal emotions using while clicking. The next is the project outcomes. This model will be helpful for students while speaking as well as in developing his vocal tone as well as giving him relevant text according to his speech. These are the developers of our project, and these are the relevant text or the contact info of the developers.
Now let's start with the implementation part. Yeah, this is the screen where it will take the input of our facial expressions and the voice modulation. In the green box, we can see our facial expressions, and in here in the corner, we can see our expression based on our voice modulation. So now let's see our feedback report. This is the feedback report which is generated from the inputted images and the voices that we have given to the model. This is the facial emotion and it is the vocal emotion, and this is the note which is based on the facial and vocal emotion. It is showing that both of the or emotion are synced with each other. Yeah, this is all from our side for this implementation model.
To conclude by stating that we implemented technologies like convolutional neural networks, LSTM, and OpenCV successfully, and we were able to integrate them in the Flask application and deploy them on the web app that we have created. The web app that we have created is successfully able to detect the facial emotions and the vocal emotions of the user and provide a particular output on the user interface. The web application that we have developed can be used extensively with a good number of use cases. Students will be able to use this particular application in order to improve their verbal and non-verbal communication skills. Further, the app is going to consist of an additional functionality which is going to be capable to detect the human body language. Overall, this app is going to be very much helpful to develop the communication skills of each and every person. Thank you.